Hi guys, wanted to do a quick video on how to change your engine air filter and how to replace your headlight in a 2018 Chevy Equinox. This is like a 2-for-1 special. This is how I started. I just got a flathead and loosened the clamp, just like this. Do you see this black box? Well, your air filter is in there, so remove the top of it. It's held down by 4 screws. Get a Phillips screwdriver or an impact. Most shops use an impact. It's real easy to do. Here's your air filter. It's not that bad. I've seen worse. I ordered the new one from Amazon. There it is. I'll replace it real soon. Before I do that, let's figure out where the headlight is. Okay, it's around the corner, so to speak, hiding in a tight spot, tight place. And if you have big hands, this is going to be somewhat difficult. So what you'll have to do is remove this box. All right, I'll show you how to do that. But you see how tight this is? If you have small hands, you should be okay. But if not, remove the box. A 10mm socket will do. Now, of course, you're going to need some tools. And if you don't have any, well, you're at the mercy of the auto shops, aren't you? In regards to that, I'd like to share something with you. First, I lost one of the screws. Not a big deal, but I'm one of those guys. If I took 4 screws out, I would like to put 4 screws back in, if you know what I mean. Nowadays, the price of oil change is through the roof, and they're going to get you. You go there for an oil change, then they're telling you that your air filter is dirty, your wiper blades need to be changed, your tire pressure, fluids, turn signal, blah, blah, blah. A lot of it you can do yourself. I'm still looking for that screw. I go to this place. They want to charge about $98 or so before taxes for an oil change. I'm not paying that. You guys lost your mind. They remove your engine air filter. They bring it to you. They say, hey, man, look, this is dirty. You need to change this. You look at it. You panic. You get frightened. You don't know what to do. You say, well, go ahead, change it. Please change it. Me personally, I take them home. I get a vacuum cleaner. I clean them off. And then later on, I order an air filter and I change it myself. So now they already got you for about 130 some bucks. I know this for a fact. Trust me. I go home, search the place, check the reviews. Sure enough, there was a guy who left a review. Oil change $100, air filter 20 something plus tech, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So yeah, he paid an arm and a leg. You didn't change the wipes, did you? Yeah, they're going to get you for the wipes, topping off your fluids, stuff like that. I get home, turn the car off. The fan is still going. I mean, it's going like it's an airplane or something. It's not uncommon for the fan to blow after the car has been turned off. Maybe the engine was running a little hot, but this particular time, the fan was just running so loud, I've never heard it run like this before. I took a second look, then I realized they didn't even connect this sensor to the air filter. I reconnected it, problem solved. Now, what if I didn't know to connect that sensor? I would have went back to the shop, like most people. This is how to get you. You go back, they say, oh, we've detected a problem. It's going to cost you about $100. I think someone got into their feelings and decided that they weren't going to reconnect the sensor in hopes that I would come back up there and spend money that I didn't have to in the first place. Can't wait to use my Husky mechanic tool set. You know, these guys laugh when they rip you off, but get emotional when you don't allow it to happen. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.